Now, scientists have been in the region carrying out a special study to try and find out more about our marine life and at the same time help protect the waters around our coastline. The experts who are on board the ship Oceana have been docked at the Port of Tyne on their last leg of the journey, which has taken them across Europe. Amy Lee reports.
Exploring, discovering, investigating. The Oceana is on a scientific fact-finding mission, finding out about the North Sea and the life below it. On board, these tubes contain evidence of species and sediments that make up the ocean that laps our coastline and what can be done to try and preserve it.
Marine protected areas will mean that there'll be more fishes in the sea for us to fish, there'll be cleaner waters, there'll be better beaches, and it's all connected when looking at the ocean.
Well, this robot can go up to 1,000 metres below the level of the sea, and usually this lens would be looking at the seabed, the kind of life that's below the oceans, and crucially it can also take samples as well that are analysed back in the laboratory to tell us all about life below the waves. The Oceana's funded by Dutch lottery money worth €2.5 million. It's been sailing the North Sea around Norway, Germany, Denmark and England, as well as around the mouth of the Tees and the Tyne. It's scientists and its divers taking samples along the way and filming footage like this, all to identify areas that need protecting.
Once we get the data, we work with the authorities and we push for these marine protected areas, because then we can say with first-hand data, this is what we found, this is why it needs to be protected and where, and it needs to be protected from different kinds of human activity for the benefit of all of us.
The onboard experts have also been mapping the seabed and looking for new species of fish captured on camera underwater.
Like, you never know what's going to happen. It's like I said, it's a treasure hunt. So sometimes it might be nothing, but then, suddenly a shark is swimming by, or you end up landing on top of a beautiful Stapellaria reef or some other biogenic reefs made by mussels, worms, that are then hosting a huge variety of different species and making really, really beautiful landscapes underwater.
It'll be at least several months before the Oceana is able to publish its findings. A glimpse at life below the North Sea that few of us have ever got to see until now. Amy Lee, ITV News, the Port of Tyne.